Last year, we launched the Pixel 3a, an affordable phone with a really awesome camera. And this year, we launched the Pixel 4a, and it's selling even faster than the 3a. And today, we're introducing the 5G version, Pixel 4a 5G. With Pixel 4a 5G, you get the best of 4a as a 5G experience. It has a larger edge-to-edge OLED display and a more powerful battery. The Pixel A series has always been about making the best of our technology as affordable as possible. And with 5G gaining momentum, we wanted to make this new technology available at an affordable price. The Pixel 4a 5G starts at only $499. But we know that some people also want more with their phone. So we're introducing the new Pixel 5, which brings together the best of Google's 5G experiences with water resistance, 8 GB of RAM, and wireless and reverse wireless charging. So you can use it with your Pixel stand or to charge your Pixel Buds on the go.
In addition to the hardware, what really makes the Pixel phones incredible is the software. 5G makes many of the great experiences we deliver faster. But people want more than just speed. Speed is still a big part of it. For example, you can download a movie in just seconds now. And we're also optimizing video streaming quality in both Photos and YouTube for 5G speeds. But then with Wi-Fi features like smart downloads on 5G, your YouTube music playlists are proactively downloaded. So even when you don't have connectivity, your entertainment continues seamlessly. 5G and Google Duo can make connecting with friends and family more engaging and entertaining. Not only can you connect with anyone on any phone, you can now share your screen and watch videos together. Especially now, being apart from friends and family, it's great to be able to share fun moments while on a video call, like men's haircut tutorials. Hoping these video tutorials can help me cut my husband's hair better and my son gets the confidence for his mom to let him cut his hair. Pixel 5G and Stadia combine to create an instantaneous gaming experience. Today's biggest games ready wherever you are. Play in all your favorite places, at home or on the go. No more waiting for game downloads or updates. Pick up your Pixel and play instantly.
Some people think that to get all the benefits of 5G at an affordable price, there needs to be a compromise on some of our core features like camera. But that's not true. Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G share the same front and rear camera system, and it's our best one yet. Starting with the hardware, we've put a new ultra-wide lens on the back, and HDR Plus has received a serious upgrade, mixing Google novel techniques with traditional HDR techniques like exposure bracketing to help you take even clearer, sharper photos. The new ultra-wide lens on the back lets you capture more of the scene in both your photos and videos. Whether you're capturing a breathtaking landscape or a family get-together, the ultra-wide lens ensures you get it all. Users love taking photos with beautiful background blurs, but this is challenging to do in super low light conditions. So we've added night sight to our portrait mode. For those evening strolls or backyard s'mores, this combination allows the subject in the foreground to stand out even in low light. The funny thing is, backyard s'mores is our use case. So my kids love making s'mores. We have not been able to camp this year. And so we've been doing them in the backyard, camping outside and making s'mores on our gas fireplace. And we're able to take portrait shots of them with the background blurred with the fire, just adding oranges to that background and them popping with their s'more on their stick. It's pretty exciting. We improved portrait mode with a new feature we call Portrait Light. We know you can't always get good lighting. That's why, with Portrait Light, you can illuminate your portraits even when you're backlit against a beautiful sunset or have a harsh shadow on your face from the bright sun above you. Because we use AI to solve this problem, you can even apply this lighting effect in the newly redesigned Google Photos editor to a portrait you took 5 years ago. One other thing we heard from our users is how much they want to be able to capture beautiful videos. To that end, we've added 3 new stabilization modes: locked, active, and cinematic pan. We also noticed that a lot of top YouTube videos for videography are tutorials on exactly this. So we studied the best tips from YouTube as well as from Hollywood directors to create Cinematic Pan. Cinematic Pan lets you make the everyday look like a movie. It creates sweeping, dramatic Hollywood effects through stabilizing and slowing down the motion by 2x.
And we're also launching Extreme Battery Saver that lets you decide what essential apps you want to keep on while everything else gets paused. It helps you increase your battery life for up to 48 hours when you need it the most. With these phones, you get 3 years of Android OS and security updates. And the Titan M chip helps to keep your operating system, passwords, and transactions safe. They've been tested against real-world threats to keep everything from your texts to your pictures secure on your phone. But of all of these features, my favorite feature is Hold for Me. Honestly, I really don't like listening to elevator music or being put on hold for an hour. I don't think anybody does. Luckily, our new feature Hold for Me builds on the smarts of Duplex and Call Screen to help save you time. Google Assistant will wait on hold for you and alert you when someone comes on the line and is ready to speak to you.
So we know when people buy phones, they really want their phone to last a long time. And they want to make sure that their phone stays up to date and has the latest and greatest and newest features. So with Pixel, we have feature drops that do exactly that. And they're always bringing the latest and newest technology back to your existing Pixel as soon as they're ready. For example, Extreme Battery Saver and Hold for Me are going to be coming to older generation Pixels very soon. And we think this is great from both a user kind of value perspective as well as from a sustainability perspective, but being able to hold onto and use your phone for longer. And for those of you who will be purchasing one of our new 5G phones, you'll be getting even more. 3 months of Stadia Pro, YouTube Premium, 100 gigabytes of storage with Google One, and Play Pass and Play Points all on us. We're really looking forward to you experiencing these new 5G phones and how helpful they can be for yourselves. They bring together the best of Google's software, new 5G experiences that go beyond speed, and the latest in computational photography to help you capture your special memories. And they start at only $499.